Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW X1 and I'm gonna show you how to change or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, basically the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun icon. This is the brightness icon. If you want to adjust the brightness, simply tap on this icon, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.